and stories. How I believed that I could climb through